Hello everyone. I am right now reviewing the SFOT case that we are going to present and perform during Residency 2 in Seville, right, next week. I'm taking a look into the final details here, but this is a case that we already discussed and approved with doctor, right? I am reviewing here the procedure, the final position of the roots, and as any other case, we started by the design, and then after deciding the final position, the ideal position, we diagnosed here that the roots, they were moving out of the bone, right? As you can see here in orange, the roots are moving out because the expansion that we need for this case. I'm going to present more details, of course, in Residency 2, but this is the case after we diagnosed the need for SFOT. We recommended to doctor, and then we did a live treatment planning session so we can present the plan and the doctor can review with us. Participating in this call, Lucan from our team, Dr. Jesus Crea, Dr. Vicente, Jesus surgeon, and also Octavio Sintra, amazing surgeon from Brazil, well clinic surgeon, who provided his insights about this technique, about this procedure, his experience. So a total collective intelligence process, and after they approved, as you can see here, we can plan the corticotomies, and then we can manufacture the guide that probably is being finished right now as we speak in the lab, okay, because after doing this virtual guide here, placing the corticotomies where we are not going to contact any root, so it will be a very safe procedure for the patient and very easy and comfortable for the doctor. We can manufacture this guide, and then the procedure is much simpler, right? So as you can see here, we have the guide, the corticotomies, the root positions, and this final position that we are understanding here that is ideal, we exported here to the clean check. So the aligners, they are going to move teeth to this exact same position, so in the end, we can finish the case with the restorations the same way that the patient approved in the mock-up. So we call this copy and paste dentistry. So we can export this idea that we created virtually to patient's mouth with a lot of accuracy. I will take the risk, but let's take a look in the lab. Probably the guide will be ready, okay? If not, maybe you can see the process that we do in the lab to make it real, right? And I think we can also see the other guide for the TAD. We did the same process here for the other case, the DSD TAD guide case, which we're going to insert a TAD with a guide, taking in consideration initial and final position of the roots, so very safe, also during Residency 2 in Seville, something that you cannot miss, okay? Let's go there. So after this virtual part, where we created 3D design, the guides and everything that the case will need for the procedures, we send the files to the lab, okay, and we here inside DSD, we are going to manufacture these guides and these solutions. Let's see. Oh, here it is. So I got lucky. So here we have, it's in the final part, okay, the same guide you saw there in the computer. Now you have it here printed, okay. So this guide, as you can see, the cuts is where the piezo is going to be inserted, and here is the limits of the apical part of the roots, okay. So this guide will allow you to visualize where the root finishes, okay. We have these holes for irrigation, and also the position where the piezo is going to enter, so it's impossible to do the corticotomy in the wrong place. So this is something that facilitates a lot the procedure. Let's say hi to the team here, and let's take a look if the TAD guide is ready. Hello there, hello there. Can we get in?
Yes. Welcome.
Just think, the TAD guide, it's ready now or not yet?
Yes, it is.
Oh, today's my day. We are very lucky. It's inside the printer, okay? It's not completely ready yet. As you can see, there is some details that we need to to do to finalize, okay? But I can show you here, this is a case where we are going to do intrusion, okay? And this is where we are going to insert the driver to insert the TAD in the exact same position we planned in the computer. We are going to present this case and present all the details and why we are doing this biomechanics, but the whole idea is here, okay? In the course, of course, you're going to see the guide ready and the patient, all the procedure and the expectations from the patient, the doctor, so stay tuned.